So today I'll be talking about meat. What kind of meat? I'll be talking about processed meat products. So processed meat is any meat that has been modified to improve its taste by salting, curing, marinating, cooking, or smoking. So today I'll be going to the meat factory, absorb everything they do, and later on I'll have an interview with my dad so you guys can know what exactly goes on inside a meat factory. So let's go. Hi again. So right now I am back from the factory with my dad. So dad, can you introduce
Hi.
yourself? Yeah.
My name is Muhammad Ali Nur Islam. I am from Bangladesh.
Okay. So today I'll have an interview with you,
Okay.
and I have some questions. And so the first question is, when did you join the meat factory?
I joined the meat factory on 1989 in Saudi Arabia in Jeddah.
So the next question is, how long were you there?
I was there 5 years, about 5 years, and then I came to Egypt in 1994.
Okay. So the next question is, what is the name of the factory you work in?
The name of the factory is Halwani Brothers. It's a Saudi company. Halwani Brothers is a multi-produce company. We have many factories inside this company. We have meat factory where we process meat product. We have more than 40 items of meat. We have cheese factory. We produce varieties type of cheese. Also we have juice, jam, jelly, pickle, biscuit and halawa tahiniya factory too. But in Egypt we have meat factory, we have chicken, we have jam, jelly, juice, biscuit and halawa factory too. We export all over the world,
Like what countries?
like USA, UK, Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, Libya, Sudan, etc.
Nice. Alright, so the fourth question is, what is your role in the meat factory you're working in?
My role in the meat factory is as a spices specialist. We have many we have many products, so each product has its own recipe. So I prepare all the Halwani products recipes and spices recipes.
So the next question is, with your experience in Saudi Arabia and Egypt, how do you think technology improved?
Of course, technology improved because when I was in Saudi Arabia, there was few machines, and that machines was old. That machines was old model, and maximum work was done by the manually. But now they made a new factory, modern machines, higher technology, and we have a laboratory for the quality control. Inside this laboratory we have modern machines to improve our quality.
So the sixth question is, do you think working manually is better than technology?
No, I think work with technology is better than manually, because if you work with manually, you have need more time, more worker and less product. But if you work with technology, you can save time, less worker and produce more. As an example, when I was in Saudi Arabia, on that time we was a old machine to produce beef burger. This machine was maximum capacity from 2 to 3 ton. But with new technology and new machines, we can produce now 9 to 15 ton per day. So, and also technology is more safe than manual.
Okay. So the final question is, can you tell me how exactly processed meat products are made?
Okay. We have many products, that is more than 40 items I tell you before. And each item has different process. So I will tell you about how beef burger produce. In this process we use 4 machines. At first we use breaking machine because we have frozen meat as a block. So we must break it in small pieces. So through this machine we break this meat in small pieces and put in the container. Then this container will go to the another machine, that is mixing machine, where we mix the meat and all ingredients and spices. After that it will go to the cutting machine, where we cut these small pieces in a more small piece as a minced beef, that is mafroom in Arabic. After that finally it will go to the beef burger machine, where it will form as a beef burger.
Okay, so thank you so much for interviewing with me. The information you shared with me was very useful, and I really hope it is useful with the other people too. So thank you.
Thank you so much to you too.
Thank you. Alright, so finally I just want to say that for security reasons they didn't allow us to take a video or any pictures inside the factory, but the only footage I got was this. It was from the outside. As you can see, the factory is pretty huge, but it looks more huge from the inside, and it's so pretty from the inside. So I really wish that I could show you the inside of the factory, but unfortunately I can't. But thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you. Okay, so the next question is, with your experience in Saudi...
No.
So the third question is, what is the factory you work in?
The factory name is...
As you can see, the factory is pretty huge. So right now I'll be